morning children, how are you all? Welcome to the maths class, okay? We have already started the chapter 2, right children? Yes, what is our chapter 2? Addition of numbers. Yes? And children, tell me what you have learned from the previous class of this chapter 2 children? Yes, we discussed about addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Yes children? Yes, very good. And in today's class, we are going to learn about addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay, children? Yes, what is our today's concept? Addition of 4-digit number. Addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. First we are going to learn about addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means no carryovers. If you don't have carryovers, that is the addition without regrouping. Okay, shall we take one example children? Yes, example. Take a 4-digit number 1124. What is this number? Is a 4-digit number 1124. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. And take another 4-digit number 2361. What is this? 2361 is a 4-digit number. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now add these two numbers. Yes, what is the symbol of addition children? Plus. Now I am going to add these two numbers. So addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So first what we have to do? Take the first number. Right here 1124. Below it write down the second number. That too we have to start with ones place. Yes children, write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So the second number right below it. So start with ones place. So here in the second number, what is the digit at ones place? Very good, 1. So 1 write down below the 4. And what is the digit at tens place? 6. So 6 right below the 2. Next, what is the digit at hundreds place? Very good children, 3. So 3 right below the 1. Next, what is the digit at thousands place? 2. So we have to write the 2 below 1. Now add these two numbers. Add means write plus. So that too we have to start with ones place. We have to add from ones place. Okay children? Okay, check the digits at ones place. What are the digits at ones place? 4 and 1. 4 plus 1. How much children? Yes, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, add the digits at a tens place. So what are the digits at a tens place? 2 and 6. 2 plus 6. How much children? Just tell me. Very good. Next, add the digits at a hundreds place. What are the digits at a hundreds place? 1 and 3. Yeah children, tell me 1 and 3. What is the answer? 1 plus 3. Yes, 4. Next, add the digits at the thousands place. 1 plus 2. How much children? 3. Yes, what is the sum here? 3485 is the sum. Sum means the answer in the addition is called sum. After doing addition, the answer is called sum. Okay children? So here we don't have carryovers. Yes children? No carryovers. So this is the addition without regrouping. This is the addition without regrouping. Have you understood children? Yes. Next, addition of, note it down children please. Quickly note it down. You can pause the video and you can note it. Yes. Next is we are going to learn about addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Yes, what is the difference between without regrouping and with regrouping? carry overs. If you have carry overs, that is the problem with regrouping. If you don't have carry overs, that is the problem with without regrouping. Okay, children? Yes. Next concept. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Shall we take one example? Yes. Then give me a 4-digit number. Very good. 2189. It is 2189. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Take another number. 9026. 9026 is a 4-digit number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now we have to add these two numbers. What is the symbol of addition? Add means addition. We have to take addition. So plus is the symbol. Now add these two numbers. First write down the first number. Below it write down the second number. Yes, children, tell me what is the first number? Very good. It is 2189. Yes. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Below it write down the second number. What is the second number? Yes. 9026. What is the second number? 9026. So here we have to write the digit first. Ones place a digit first. Okay. What is the digit at ones place? 6. So 6 write down below the 9. Yes. Have you got it, children? Yes. What is the digit at tens place? Very good. 2. So write 2 below 8. Yes, children. Tens place. Ones place. Next come to the hundreds place. What is the digit at hundreds place? 0. So 0 we have to write below the 1. Yes, children. Next 9 is the thousands place digit. So write 9 below 2. Now add. Plus is the symbol for addition. So how to add? We have to add at ones place first. Then we have to go to the tens place. Then go to the hundreds place. Then go to the thousands place. Okay, start with the ones place. Yeah, what are the digits at ones place? 9 and 6. 9 plus 6, how much, children? Very good. 15. So here 2-digit number means ones place, tens place. So what is ones place digit? 5. So at ones place write 5. Cut it. And tens place digit is the carry over. So carry over is forwarded to the next place, that is to the tens place. One is the carry over is forwarded to the tens place. So at tens place write 1. Yes, now add these 3 digits. 1 plus 8, how much, children? Very good, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 again. 2-digit number we got. So 1, this one right at a tens place, and this is the carry over is forwarded to the next place, that is to the hundreds place. So write 1 at hundreds place. Now 1 plus 1, how much, children? 2. 2 plus 0, what is the answer? The same number, 2. If 0 is added to any number, the answer is the same number. This is one of the properties of addition. Yes, children? Yes. So next, add the digits at thousands place. 2 plus 9, how much, children? Very good, 11. 11 we have to write completely here because after that we don't have any places. Yes, what is this number? It is 11,215. What is the sum? 11,215. Sum means after doing addition we will get an answer. That answer is known as sum. Okay, children? So in this way we will take addition. So this is the addition with regrouping. Means we have the carryovers here. Yes, this is the addition with regrouping. Have you understood, children? Shall we take one more example? Yes. One more example. Please note it down, children. I am going to take another example. Along with me, you have to do in your running notebook. Okay, children? Yes. You can pause the video and you can note it. Yeah, the next example. $8,329. What is the first number? 8,329 plus 7,186. What is the second number? 7,186. What is the sum? We have to find out. So first write down the first number. 8,329 is the first number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So below it write down the second number. So write down the places here also. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So what is ones place digit? 6. So exactly below 9 we have to write the 6. And what is digit at tens place? 8. So below 2 we have to write 8. What is digit at hundreds place? 1. So below 3 we have to write 1. Next thousands place digit is 7. So below 8 write down the 7. Now add these two numbers. What is the symbol? Plus. So first we have to start from ones place. Yes. Now 9 plus 6. How much, children? These numbers should come in same line. Okay, children? Yes. 9 plus 6 is how much, children? Very good. 15. Two digit number. So ones place, tens place. Ones place digit right in ones place. And tens place digit is the carry over. Is forwarded to the tens place. So what is the carry over here? 1. Now add the digits at tens place. 1 plus 2, how much, children? 3. 3 plus 8, how much, children? 11. Again we got two digit number. So this first digit number right at tens place. Done. Next, this is the carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. So write 1 here. Now add all digits at hundreds place. 1 plus 3, how much, children? 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Should come at a hundreds place. Okay. Next, go to the thousands place. 8 plus 7, how much, children? Very good. 8 plus 7 is 15. We have to write completely there. Afterwards, we don't have any numbers. So it is 15,515 is the sum. What is the answer? 15,515. So write here answer. 15,515 is the answer. The answer is known as sum. Have you understood, children? Yes. Note it down, children. Very good. Now I am going to take some our textbook problems, children. Yeah. Quickly note it down, children. Next from page number 99. Textbook page number 99. Exercise number 2.2. I am going to do second bit, that is write the missing digits. Write the missing digits. Yes, the first one I am going to take a bit. 825 plus 936 is equal to dash 7 dash 1. This problem we are going to do now. So we have to add these two numbers and we have to write the missing digits. So what is the first number here? Is a 3-digit number 825. Below it write down the second number. It is also a 3-digit number. So what is ones place, tens place, hundreds place? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is ones place digit here? 6. Below 5 write down 6. What is a tens place digit here? 3. So below 2 write down 3. What is a hundreds place digit here? 9. So below 8 write 9. Now add these two numbers. So always start with ones place, right? 5 plus 6, how much, children? 11. So is a 2-digit number, ones place, tens place. So 1 write in ones place and tens place digit is forwarded to the tens place. Carry over is forwarded to the tens place. So write 1 here at tens place. Now add digits at tens place. Yes? Yes, tell me, children. 1 plus 2, how much, children? 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Next, go to the hundreds place. 8 plus 9, how much, children? 8 plus 9 is 17. So this is the sum. This is the answer. So now Write the missing digits. So what is the ones place digit here? 1. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is the tens place digit? 6. So here write down 6. Yes. What is hundreds place? Sorry. What is the tens place digit here? 6. Yes. What is the hundreds place digit? 7. Already they wrote. What is thousands place digit? This is the thousands place digit. So 1. So in this way we will write. Have you understood, children? Shall we take one more example? Yes. Next, note it down, children. The baby bit we are going to do now. You can pause the video and you can note. The B bit is 259 plus 786 is equal to 1 dash 4 dash dash. Add these two numbers and write the missing digits. Else everyone along with me write 259 plus 786. Yes, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 9 plus 6. What is the answer? 15. So 5 write at ones place and 1 is the carry over is forwarded to the tens place. 1 plus 5, how much children? 6. 6 plus 8, how much children? 14. So 4 write at the tens place. 1 is the carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 2, how much children? 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So this is the sum. 1045 is the sum. Now write the missing digits. What is the ones place digit here? 5. At ones place write down 5. What is tens place digit? 4. 4. What is the hundreds place digit? 0. What is the thousands place digit? 1. Have you understood, children? Yes, note it down, children. The next concept is estimation of the sum. I will tell you. Estimating the sum. Next concept is estimating the sum. Estimating the sum. What is meant by estimating? Estimating means we have to take some rough values, some estimated values, rounding of numbers. Yes, children? Yes. So here, suppose for example 12. What is its rough value? 12 is rounded off to which 10, children? 10. Come to the 28. What is its rough value or rounded off number? 28 is rounded off to which 10? 30. Have you understood, children? Yes. So these are the estimated value. Now we are going to find estimating the sum. So here I want to take our textbook problem, that is page number 107. A bit I want to take. So what is the heading? Estimate the following. Estimate the following sums by rounding off to the nearest tens. Also find the actual sum. This is the question. So we estimate the following sums by rounding off to the nearest tens. Also find the actual sum. So here a bit I want to take. What are the sums? 69 plus 18. Okay. First find out the actual sum. So write down the number 69 plus 18. Add these two numbers, children. 1's place, 10's place. 9 plus 8, how much, children? 17. So 7 write at 1's place. Done. 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the tens place. 1 plus 6, how much children? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 87 is the actual sum. Whatever numbers they gave, with that only we did the addition. Yes children, now we are going to find out estimated sum. Estimated sum means we have to round off these numbers to the nearest tens. Now take 69. 69 is rounded off to which tens place children? 69 is rounded off to which nearest 10? Very good, 70. And 18 is rounded off to which 10 children? 18 is rounded off to, what is its nearest 10? 18 is close to 20 or 10? Yes, 20. So it is rounded off to 20. Now we have to add these two numbers, 70 plus 20. What is the answer? 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 90 is the estimated sum. Estimated sum. So some rough value. Estimating means taking rough values of the given numbers. So this is the actual sum. This is the estimated sum. Now take the B problem children. B is 91 plus 86. So first find out the actual sum. So 91 plus 86. Yes, find out the sum. 1's place, 10's place. So add digits at 1's place. 1 plus 6, how much children? 7. Next 9 plus 8, how much children? Very good, 17. So what is the answer? 177 is the actual sum. Actual sum is 177. Now we are going to find the estimated sum of these numbers. So here 91 is rounded off to which number children? 91 is close to 90 or 100? Yes, it is nearest to 90. Yes. So it is close to 90. And what about 86? 86 is also nearest to 90. Means 91 is rounded off to 90. 86 is rounded off to 90. Now add these two numbers. 90 plus 90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 9 is how much children? 9 2s are 80. So 180 is the estimated sum and the actual sum is the 177. So this is the actual sum. This is the estimated sum. Means we are taking the estimation values of these numbers and we are finding the estimated sum. Okay children, have you understood children? Yes, very good children. In next class we are going to learn word problems of this chapter children. So we will continue in the next class children. Bye.